forecast.
All right, a nice Tuesday afternoon. A lot brighter skies than what we saw this morning. We still had a few showers around for some, and this afternoon, not much in the way of showers across the region. A very weak front has barely made it off to our south, but it is in the process of allowing some slightly drier air to work in. Well, we're certainly not as warm as previous days. 83 is our current reading as well as the high for the day. Dew point still hanging around 70. That number will drop a bit more. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 82, partly cloudy skies, winds light from the northeast. Dew points dropping into the mid 60s, and we will get a little break from the higher humidity as we go into Wednesday. Right now you can see most locations are in the low 80s at this hour. As we take a look at our rainfall for August at the airport, quite impressive, and that's coming off a surplus that we had in July. So yeah, we've made up some ground because of frequent showers and storms. So at the airport, we've seen over 9 inches of rainfall. Average for the date for August the 18th would be 2.3. So we currently have a surplus, a whopping over 7 inches for the month of August. Now for the calendar year, we continue to close in on that overall deficit. We've seen over 24.5 inches of precipitation. Average would be 26.25. So right now a deficit of around 1.75 inches. Not too bad. And we'll get the update from U.S. Drought Monitor on Thursday. You can see some of the clouds around from this morning. Some of us saw some showers as well. And that's basically that very weak front that has slid off to the south. Meanwhile, high pressure is going to build in from the west, and that'll usher in some slightly drier air. There were a few showers earlier, especially through Buckingham and Nelson. Those have since moved away. So temperatures tonight widespread in the 60s under partly cloudy skies. Areas north and west could even see some 50s early tomorrow morning. Your Wednesday afternoon, generally in the upper 80s to around 90, a little less humid. Our average daytime high is in the upper 80s, so not too far off from that. So we move into Thursday and Friday. Here comes the return of showers and thunderstorms. Coverage will vary over the next several days, but we'll certainly watch later Friday into Saturday, maybe potentially a little bit more widespread rain, but temperatures will lower. Well, real quickly, the Atlantic Basin right now is fairly quiet. No tropical activities expected within the next 5 days. However, we have a somber anniversary that was 57 years ago on this date and was playing out this week of August, and that was Hurricane Camille. It made landfall in Bate St. Louis, Mississippi. It was only one of 4 Category 5 hurricanes to ever hit the continental United States. The tropical depression, which would again work across the state of Virginia on August the 19th and the 20th, would create a devastating natural disaster, one of the worst in our state's history. And of course, most of the damage was done in Nelson County, and there were 124 fatalities, rainfall of over 27 inches. So that was, again, a somber anniversary. So things are a lot quieter here. We have a weak front that's off to our south and east. Here's the next front that'll come in for the weekend, and that'll bring us our next chance for some showers and storms. In the meantime, we're quiet as we go into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is a warm day with temperatures that'll top out 85 to around 90, and then we'll watch some of these storms come in as we head into Thursday afternoon. Your forecast for tonight then, we're in the 60s, partly cloudy skies, some areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, those showers and storms are turning here for the late week and upcoming weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
As President Trump works